in one of my other videos, I ended up getting a new cell phone. This is the S10 Plus, and I love it. Right now I'm filming on a, what is it, Galaxy S8? I think it's Galaxy S8 is what that phone is. And I really like the difference between the two. They have a couple, well, they're kind of similar, but they've got a few different things different about them. Anyways, I needed a case for my new phone. So I actually ended up ordering some cases from Wish. I think I have, now I don't know if they're both cases, so that's why I'm gonna open both of them and see. One is just a clear one and another one is just pink and sparkle. We'll go ahead, we'll open this one first to see if it's the phone case for my new phone, because it's so thin that I've been, for about 2 weeks, I've been using this without a phone case, and it's kind of hard to hang on to. I mean, I don't have big hands, but it's still kind of slippery, so you're still better off to have a case, just in case you drop it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Doesn't have to be neat. Oh, nope, this one is not, over there, cell phone case. That's okay. Sometimes they don't have names on packages, so you never know what you're gonna get. This is, I think it's actually a pill case. You keep your pills in there, or crafts, jewelry, that sort of thing. I bought it because I was storing my earrings in these little cases. I really like them because they've got little clips and they keep your earrings all nice and separated. So just like there's just little containers with little snap lids. Okay. I really like them. So I was storing my earrings in these type of containers just to keep them all separated and organized. So I'm happy I got those because I really like them. So, yay! Even though it's not my cell case, that one should be, hopefully. So we'll go ahead and open the other package. And we'll see. Oh! There's actually 2 packages in here. Surprise! Yeah. This one actually seems... Okay, again, I don't know if it's both cell phone cases or not. I don't know. So let's take a look. So let's open these and see what they are. And it is. This is for the S10 Plus phone. It's one of the clear cases I bought from Wish. So let's open this and check it out. Let's see what it looks like on the phone. And then we'll see what the other one looks like on the phone. Little cardboard phone for just to show. Plastic. That's cute. You can probably put like your own pictures or photos or anything behind, you know, put your own sparkle behind there. You know, if you have a dried flower or something, you can be creative with it and kind of have your own design. Here's the clear cell phone case that I love, absolutely love. So if I ever want to put a picture in it for the back, I could. So you can show your cat, your dog, your kids, yourself, your husband, whoever you want to show. Love it. See, there's a little bit of a grip edging Okay, so here's my phone. Let's just pop it in and see how it works. So. Oh, that's cute. That's so cute. It's very simple and clean looking. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. I love it. Wow, and it's got like bumper, like it's got little bumper corners. So if you end up dropping your phone, you still have to be careful because if it lands on your screen, you can still crack it. But it's so cute because these little if it lands on a corner, it's got a little bit of protection. So that's nice. Looks like it fits all my buttons really good. It's got, I'll try to zoom in here. It's got more of like a grip on the side. So, it's got a little bit more to hang on to. It's not slippery. Yeah, so take a look at that. That's really cool. I'll find out the actual name of this cell phone case and I'll put it up here somewhere or down here, the name of it. And then maybe put a little bit of information in the description box in case you guys want to find the same cell phone case. Because it's cute. I really do like it. I'm very impressed. Very impressed. So let's take that off. So here's the next package. Oh, so adorable. Wow. Love it. For S10 Plus. So you gotta be careful when you're ordering online to make sure it is for the right phone because you can make that mistake of ordering for the wrong phone. New case. Best quality is what it says. So this is what it looks like. It's got little sparkles in it. Hard to see. I'll unpackage it so you can see it better. Okay, let's open it and see. Actually, let's read here. So it says it's a jelly case, ultra slim and custom fit with open face design for easy operation, made of durable and flexible material, smooth to the touch and scratch resistant. Cool. We're gonna open this up, the phone case. That's so pretty. I love it. A little bit of scuff marks on there, probably from the manufacturer. But that is so cute. Look at that. Sorry, I can't really show. There you go. Look how pretty that is. That's so pretty. Look how gorgeous this is. Like, it's gorgeous. It's just a baby pink, a light pink color. I will again put the description of the color and exactly what the name is of this cell phone cover. How cool. And there's the inside. So let's put this on my phone so you can see what it looks like on my phone. Okay, so we can just take this, it's got like a rubber case over it. So it even has like just a protector for, this is where your charging is on your cell phone. So let's just pop this off. Just a rubber over top of a plastic piece that clips to your phone. Use a little bit of force, but not too much force because you don't want to break the plastic part as I move the tablecloth. Come on. Oh, okay. There we we go, got it off. 2 pieces. So there's the rubber outer edge. And this is the plastic part that just kind of clips onto your phone. Come here. You want to come in? Come in, Kita. Push the door open. So you'll figure out which is the top, which is the bottom. There's little gaps. Hi, do you want to come say hi? Come say hi. Come here. Come say hi. Come here. There. Say hello. It's our little girl, Takita. She has her own little playlist if you want to see a little bit about her. She's been with us for, what, 12 years, 13 years? You're getting old. Oh, don't put boogers on my table. Isn't it cute? We finally got a cell phone case. Now we don't have to drop our phone anymore. We can hold on to it. Okay, love you. I was talking about the bottom. So yeah, the bottom has 3 gaps, and you'll see on your phone it's got, you know, your volume you plug in and where your head jack goes. So then just plop that right in to your frame. And then the same thing on here, just put that on top. You can see what I'm doing. And then it should just clip together. There's little clips on the side. So there, it's on the edge part of the phone case is on. Just the plastic part. So now we can go ahead and put the rubber part that protects the phone onto your phone. If I can remember right, because I actually have this on my S8 phone, except it's darker. It's like a rose color. So we'll just pop this on. I usually put the top in first because then it snaps in better. Pull the side. We'll get it in. So, part. There we go. So there you go. It's a, well, here, I'll turn it on so you can see it better. It's adorable. Look at that. It's so cute. It's so cute. And the back, I love the back. Like, it's that white color. And to have that sparkle come down. Oh. Guys, I love that. Love it, love it. Isn't it cute? That's so cute. Shake it up. I love the screen that they designed to put on there. Or maybe I put that on there. I put that on there. Never mind. Just one of their wallpapers, I guess. There's so many different kinds, but that's so cute. I just love it. So there, if you're looking for a cell phone case for your new phone, whatever type of phone you have, they have all different options. Again, I bought this off of Wish. You'll find Wish either on app on your phone, or you can find it on your computer. You can order tons of different stuff. The buttons you push, you know, the plastic parts, your volume. Again, it's got like a little protector for your power plug, so you never have it open, which is nice. Enough room for the volume, enough room for the headphone jack. Gorgeous. Love it. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching. See you later. Check out my next video on installing the unicorn ring holder. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe.